What is up, guys, and welcome. I'm sure you can tell this is the first episode of the channel, and I'm super excited to show you guys what we got going on. I've been debating doing this YouTube thing for a while now, and finally decided to give it a shot. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I do have some bittersweet news that I'm sad but excited about at the same time. With that being said, I sold my buggy. I didn't sell the complete car. I just sold basically the chassis, links, panels, like the fuel cell, the radiator, some like fittings and plumbing stuff. But keeping the drivetrain, keeping the axles, the wheels, sold the coilovers. But anyway, with all that, I'm gonna put some money into some shop equipment because I really need a plasma table and a few other little things in the shop to just make building going faster. And then my plan is to do a rear steer car. I'm gonna build another chassis that's gonna be a 3-seat chassis. It's hard to sell my first car because I put a lot of work into that thing and I learned a lot. So, but the next one's gonna be that much better. So stay tuned for that build. Today though, before we start tearing that car apart, I'm gonna go out and do a walk around video of my car, give you guys an idea of the kind of stuff we're building and what the final project looks like before that thing is gone forever. It's going to a guy up north in Santa Cruz, I believe. So he's driving down on Thursday. That's tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, so I gotta go out, do the walk around video, and then come back and start tearing the car apart, which should be fun because it's supposed to rain today. So we'll see how that goes. I have a pretty small backyard shop here, and then an area outside that's under like a carport. So space is super limited and a lot of outside working, so should be fun. Alright guys, well here we are. We're up in the hills out by my house, and we're gonna do a walk around of this thing. Super sad to see it go. Driving it for the last time is like it's hard, but I'm excited for the new car to come. And so starting just from front to back of this thing, it's running at 05 and up Dana 60 front end with Artec weld-on high steer arms, PSC steering. It's got Detroit's front and rear with 538 gears. It's running a Warn, I think 8,500 pound winch. Yeah. Some GG lighting headlights, some GG rock lights. It's got 4 in the front and 4 in the rear. Fox shocks, they're 2.5s, 16s front and rear, with Radflow hydro bumps. And then it's running a 5.3 LS with a 4L60 and an Atlas transfer case. The Willwood master cylinder with the busted knuckle reverse swing pedal. Holley Terminator X Max to control the 4L60 for the engine management system. Sand Hollow off-road speed shifter for the 4L60. Love that shifter. Absolutely amazing for standard valve body on the transmission. Going from first to reverse real easy. Got Corbo low back seats. Nothing crazy, just keep it nice and simple with Corbo harnesses. we're running the Raceline Avengers in a 20x9 Patagonia Milestar 42s. I think they're a 42 1450 on a 20-inch wheel. Moving on to the radiator in the back, it's running a Champion radiator, and then fuel cell running a 19-gallon RCI tank. Down in the rear end, we're running a 14-bolt that's shaved with, again, the Detroit locker, 538 gears. So that's about it. As I said, I'm excited but sad at the same time to see this thing go. It was my first buggy that I ever built, so a lot of lessons learned here. A lot of things I would do different in the future, but you know, you would never get to where you are today without trying and just learning along the way. So let's get this thing pulled down. We'll show some other footage of me just ripping around here, and then it's time to take it back to the shop and start tearing it apart, getting it ready for the new owner. Sucked to have kind of cut that short because it started raining. I don't even think it was in the forecast today, at least I didn't know about it, but we made it back home and the buggy's in the garage, well, in the carport, ready to get taken apart. So I guess that's the next thing we're gonna get to. So thanks for checking out this walk around video of my car. Pretty soon it'll be gone, and we'll be on to the next project. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm super new to this whole video making thing, so kind of bear with me as I get better as we go. And thanks for watching.